And breaking news coming in this hour, Democratic Youth Federation of India activists have been staging a protest in Chennai over the NDA government's decision to hike rail fares by more than 14%. The fare hike is to come into effect starting today. The hike has come in the face of violent protests from different parts of the country. Protests now being reported from Chennai. Last Saturday, in fact, we saw Samajwadi Party workers vandalize a BJP office in Lucknow. Yesterday, Congress workers and party leaders staged a protest at the Palam railway station in the national capital. Let's get a word from our correspondent Priyamada, who's joining us on the phone line from Chennai. Priyamada, violent protests being reported from several parts of the country. Now you're also seeing protests in Chennai. Is AIADMK chief and Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Jayalalitha likely to take this up with the Narendra Modi government?
Well, she's already written a letter. She's already condemned the price hike in the railway fare. She's already mentioned that. And we do see protests happening here in Chennai. And just a while back, we got information that in Coimbatore also there was a violent protest. 8 of them have been injured because there was a clash between the Democratic Youth Federation of India cadres and the police when they resisted an arrest. They staged a rail roko in Coimbatore as well. So definitely protests happening across. Both the DMK Chief Karunanidhi and Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Jayalalitha have written to the Prime Minister to ensure rollback. They both have condemned the fare hike in railways.
Right, Priyamada, the pictures that we're getting from Chennai, people actually blocking train traffic. Has railway traffic been affected because of these protests?
Well, even they are staging protests, but by then the police are quick enough to remove them. So not much of a disturbance for the suburban trains. Basically, they try to stage the rail roko near a suburban railway station, but then not much of a damage, not much of a delay, because in just a matter of 5 to 10 minutes they were removed from the spot by the police.